What's up, y'all? What it do? We at it again. Make sure you subscribe. Got Big Bertha back. She nice and clean. I mean, Big Karen. Yeah, Big Karen is back, but here we go. This part right here is my rim. I finally got my rim back. Yeah, I'm working on it. It's coming along. I'm trying to get it back. Check out my other videos. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. As you see, still white wall. I'm taking the white wall off, but I'm keeping it because my Road King has white walls. And I'm going with the Metzlers. Going with the Metzlers. I got these scratches. You can't see them too much anymore, but you can kind of see some there. There's little bitty scratches. I already covered some up with this paint. Black. You know, I got this from the neighborhood, stove. So yeah, I'm going ahead and touch them up. You see my other videos, you'll see why I'm changing the tires. And what I had before. Leave me a comment if you know what tires I had before this. I'll answer you back. Yeah, but these are the Metzlers now. Yeah, let me go slow for y'all. I know I'm going crazy. Metzler, 2-pile. That's the low stuff. DOT 1XL. Oh, let's see. These are the ME888 Marathon Ultras. Yeah, I think it's gonna be way better look. I also without the white wall, this mofo right here, this right here, makes the rim look bigger. Like it's a bigger rim. It's a 21. But brand new tires, man. Brand new, you can see little hairs. Now, the tire I was running before, if you see my other videos, it was like all rounded out. This one has an edge. The other one just like was all rounded out. And it had the white wall. But yeah, man, I'm going to touch that up. And then I'll give you a little before and after. I'm going to do the other side though. This side's already done. I was just testing it. Yeah, one more game. Make sure you comment, subscribe, check out the other videos. Ooh, so you can see what happened to me. Alright, y'all. So first thing is use this little thing to scratch it off. You see it? Now you can see this side. This side got a grip. And I sanded it already too before I took it to get the tire on. So I could sand it a little more. But you could use this. And this just, make sure you got all that stuff off of there. Just trying to get a clean surface. Just like anything. So yeah, once I got a clean sizzle my nizzle, I'll just wipe it down and I'll paint it up. Alright, so you screw off this part to get the brush out. This part down here, this part here, opens up with some clear. Right now I'm just going to use the brush. Alright, so this part is all painted, and then this is where you see it back to silver. So this is all the scratched up part. That's scratched up too, but now I got the paint on it, just to there. Just want to blend it all in. Alright, so it's gonna work. Ain't no one gonna notice. But yeah, man, comment, share, subscribe, check out my other videos. Sunday fun days, let me know where they at. Get a brother in the loop. Going to a lot more functions. We got a lot more different videos, one every day hopefully. And that's what we're shooting for right now. Just content every day. Something's going on. Let me go on and finish this little rim up, and I'll show y'all what else we got cracking. Yeah, for shizzle my nizzle. What it do, y'all? Yeah, man, I should get your camera out. Yeah, anytime you go to events, man, y'all get your camera out. Let the brother know what y'all doing. Alright. So, bam. Now it's time to put it back. Alright. Geo. Shit's my nizzo. So I was gonna paint these red, which I still am, but I was gonna wait till I put the wheel back. I'm gonna put the wheel back because I'm just gonna mask everything up. That way I can paint it. But yeah, let me get this on so you get a good look. Alright, y'all, just a quick tip before I put them on. When you do this, you don't want to dab it. You want to spray it. And you want to spray it quick. If you don't spray it quick, it's gonna chunk up. It's gonna look like shit. Just swipe, swipe, swipe. Holla at your boy. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Y'all know how to swipe. Y'all do number 2, baby. Yo. So just remember, these tires are directional. There'll be an arrow pointing the way it's supposed to rotate. You know what I'm saying? Cause I know you be tipsy, sipping on a little something, trying to get some work done, and you'll end up putting it backwards. But man, look at that. I ain't even put it down yet. That is good. That's my old white wall. What y'all think? Drop a nigga comment. White wall, black. White wall or black? Gee, I made the choice. Plus, I got white walls here. Let's see. For all y'all that ain't seen some other stuff, I got white walls here. I'm a road king. And yes, I got both of them. I didn't cheat on this one either. Can I see? Yeah, it's not like that. Oh. Matrix. You chisel my nizzles. Alright, you see right here? I just let off one caliper. So when you're putting it back, let me see. There you go. You could just put the plate between the brakes, and that'll hold it there for you. Yes, you see how the hole. Damn, my Neos. You see how the hole's not aligned yet? Well, that hizzo is gonna, as I drop it. Where we at? Is that about it? Oh shit, perfect. Yeah. I'm about to go pay the lotto, baby. Watch for one of my videos coming out. Let you know what's coming up. Also got a travel video with the wifey. We'll put that on here. Alright, let me finish that tire. Alright, y'all, we're about there, but I had to bring out MC Hammer. Go hammer, go hammer, go hammer. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a few in there. Come on, right there. And it's going down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I ain't got to let it kick it. See how that's a spacer? I forgot to put that spacer right there. So now I gotta push this back out, put that in, we'll be in the game. Yeah, man. Keep it 100. We ain't cutting that out. That happens. Did it happen to me first? Yeah, man. Just put everything back the way you took it out. I'm in G unit. So I had the washer first, then the little tiny thing, and there's a whistle. Bam. For sure on this side it was just a little nut and the washer. Yeah, I don't wear gloves for nothing. I don't know why. Well, actually I do, just not little stuff. My boy though, it was now Texas Jeff, he be wearing nothing. But hey man, everybody to their own. He get it done just like me. Yo, I think I put it right. Okay, so I'm just gonna tighten that up and we'll be done. Yeah, I did it again. Now the parts is out, so I'm guessing this is the out part. So yeah, like I said, I did it so you don't have to. Alright, remember my nizzle, because I'll be messing up. As you turn here, that's why there's a hole right there. You hold it, because this thing's gonna move. You see, both of them moving. From my understanding, you want to tighten up here first, and the little gap will go away. Jip. Alright, y'all, caliper time. Put the caliper on that bad boy. Brake pad still good. G-unit. G-U not. G, shout out Young Buck. I don't know why. I don't think G-unit, I think Young Buck. Almost there. Alright, caliper back on. Hey, what are you doing? You go put some shoes on. Why you never got shoes on? Go put some shoes, boy.
No.
I'm gonna get you. Let me get you. Let me get you. Huh? Let me get you. Alright, man, back to work. Well, let me handle this real quick. Alright, y'all done data. Right before it got dark. Yeah, I like that better than the white wall. Check out the other videos. See the white walls? Yeah, white walls are off. There we go. I just saw that. We'll get some glue going and get that stuff off of there. And we'll be done data. The next thing's gonna be the next video should be getting the new one. Black tire as well. So I got the aluminum bezel. That's gonna be tight. That's exhaust. Bunch of other goodies. Yeah, that's my garage. We're gonna straighten that out. But yeah, man, we're checking you out. Franco, where's Lucci, Franco? Alright, y'all. Gotta get back to family life. Make sure you subscribe, share, like. Man, just one more look. Look at that. White wall. That one was white wall, black. Yeah, that's a way better choice. Look at that. It makes the rim look bigger. That was 21. Same profile. Yeah, it was looking like I said. Oh man, we're gonna pop this over. That's how it was looking. That's my Road King. If you ain't seen my other videos, holla. Yeah, but on this bike for a Road Glide, yeah, I'm glad I came out with the white wall. That looks nice. Oh yeah. So y'all, man, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and go ahead and conclude this video. Yeah, it's dark. I'm over in my office, so hope this video. Okay, oh man, how's my camera work? Hope y'all like this video. Make sure you share, like, subscribe. Hope this video was so good, make you want to slap your mama.